Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to list for sale by owner on Zillow. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to your browser and now go to Zillow.com. Once over here on the top right hand side you'll see an option for sign in. Click on it. Now here, if you already have an account, just sign in over here or just click on create a new account and then enter an email and password for your account and click on submit. Once signed in, on the top left hand side you'll see an option for sell. Hover over it and then come down and click on post for sale by owner. Now here, enter your street address, your city, answer or zip code and then click on continue. Now here they will show you the location of your land, and if it is correct just click on yes, it is the correct location. Now here you'll have to enter your price, also your 3D home, your photos, also the home facts, also write up the open house and additional information, and then at the end just click on your contact information and agree to the terms and just click on post for sale by owner. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.